the story that you learned in church today
Uh-huh.
about Jesus and the blind man?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Here it goes.
Okay.
So, he couldn't see.
Yeah.
It was blind.
He was blind. Yeah.
Yeah, and he couldn't see. So he closed his eyes.
Yeah.
Then,
What did he do?
he picked up some dirt
Yeah.
and put it on his eyes.
Yeah.
Then washed it off.
Wash the dirt off.
Mhm.
Mhm.
And then
He could see?
yeah,
It was a miracle, huh?
yeah, and he could see.
Yay!
Can I have some bread?